justice right there.
No.
Hi guys. Today I will show you how to install Thanos mod in GTA San Andreas. Before starting, please subscribe my YouTube channel and turn the bell icon on. Help me to build my channel guys. Your guys are awesome. Thanks, and also don't forget like and share the video with your friends. I have also made tutorials about Spider-Man and Watch Dogs mod. I will give the link in the description. If you want to check them, just go to the description of this video. First of all, you need to download the files. I don't own any tools shown in the video, but I zip them in a single file to save your time. The download link is in the description. Just go there and download them. All the credit goes to the real owners. Unzip the file using unzipping software. I'm using 7-zip. It's free. The password is HS. Now follow me. First of all, you have to take a backup of your game file. It is very important. If your game crashes, you can easily restore your game. Follow me and don't skip any part, else your game may crash. Just copy and paste clear folder in your game directory. Just replace. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Now also do the same thing for the mod. Now follow me, and open the this.It editor, then just import the files in GTA 3 img. Now click on rebuild, and you are ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Now you can find the manual of the mod here. You will also find the keys to activate the mod in GTA San Andreas. Now check run this program and compatibility mod to overcome the crashing issue. You are ready to go. Now just open the game and type Thanos to activate the mod. Don't use any weapon while typing Thanos. Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe and leave a like and comment below. I'm out.